From wild science comes the collectible, extreme and bizarre animals of the world kits. Make and paint life-size plaster models. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene. And assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle. The full color instruction book and spectacular poster are full of amazing photos and facts. The hugest, the weirdest, the cuddliest, the most beautiful, and the most scary snakes on the planet. If you're wild about animals, then you'll love extreme and bizarre animals of the world. And remember, there's only one wild science.